Forgot your Facebook password and want to see it on your Android phone? In this quick video, I'll show you how to see your Facebook password. Let's get started. Method 1. Use Google Password Manager. If your Facebook password is saved on your Android phone, you can view it using Google Password Manager. Open Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Then tap More Security Settings. After that, tap Password, Passkeys, and Autofill. Then tap Google. Now tap Google Password Manager. Find facebook.com and tap on it. Verify with your fingerprint, PIN, or pattern. After that, tap on the eye icon to view your saved password. Method 2. Check saved passwords in Chrome. If you logged into Facebook using Chrome, your password might be saved there. Open Google Chrome on your device and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap Settings. After that, tap Google Password Manager. Then search for facebook.com and tap it. Next, unlock it with your phone security. Tap the eye icon to reveal your password. If your password isn't saved anywhere, open the Facebook app. Tap Forgot Password. Reset your password using your email or phone number. If this video helps you, hit the like and subscribe to more Android and Facebook tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.